Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a little quick fix video for those that use OBS Studio to do screen recording, but that they see nothing when they actually try to use the screen recording. It stays black, and you have a laptop or a device that has two graphics processors. So this is a new laptop that I have here, which is an Acer Nitro 5. The thing is, on this Nitro 5, there's two graphics adapters. So you can check out if you have two graphics adapter by right-clicking on the Start button, going into Device Manager, and looking at Display Adapters. Now I've got a Intel UHD Graphics 630, also an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050. One of them is the default graphics chip. That means Windows displays with that one, which is the Intel graphics chip. The second one is used for gaming. It's used when there's intense graphics use. Now, a lot of people want to disable that, and we'll actually talk about that in a second video. But in the case where you have two graphics adapter, the problem is that OBS Studio might be choosing the wrong one when you do screen recording. So that happened to me, and it actually wanted to do only, black screens. They wouldn't record my screen because it tried to record what was on the NVIDIA chip. What you need to do is make sure that you have the latest drivers from the company. So Windows does have drivers for the NVIDIA and Intel graphics, but that's not what you want, especially when you're using the NVIDIA one. You want to have the NVIDIA drivers. So you got to go and download, first of all, the NVIDIA drivers and get the NVIDIA utilities like NVIDIA settings and so on, so that you have, of course, on your system, the official drivers from the company. Once that is done, what you'll be able to do is right-click. So that's what I do. Right-click on OBS Studio when you use it and choose Run with Graphics Processor, and you click Integrated Graphics. Now here's the thing. If you're using a second screen, or if you're using the NVIDIA screen for some gaming and you do want OBS Studio to record it, then you will have to choose high performance NVIDIA processor, for example, in my case. So that's how you fix this. Simply choose what graphics chip is being used by your device, and that's how it's going to record the screen. A lot of people are stuck there. I see a lot of comments on the OBS Studio forums of, hey, my laptop, my gaming laptop, only records black screens. Well, that's because you got to choose which graphics chip you want it to actually record on. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.